You may not know where this path may lead, or just how far it will take you. But at every moment, you are paving a way, heading towards new grounds, through your vision, with your voice, reaching above and beyond. You will come to realize that this journey has become your story. Born to create, Genesis GV70.
We, Genesis, have staked out a place for ourselves in the automotive industry as a global luxury brand. But this accomplishment was not an end destination, but instead a jumping off point, a new beginning in our pursuit of possibility.
제네시스는 디자인 컨셉, 상품 개발 단계로부터 고객분들의 구매, 사용 경험에 이르기까지 혁신성과 디테일을 갖춘 정교함, 그리고 고객을 위한 진정한 배려를 추구하고 있습니다. 또한 우리는 한국적 감성과 미를 통해 글로벌 고객들과 소통합니다. 고객과 진정성 있는 관계를 형성하고 지속 가능한 미래를 디자인하고자 합니다.
Genesis never rests on its laurels as we strive to create the finest automobiles for connoisseurs around the globe. It was a bold yet exciting decision for us to expand into this new segment with a sporty and dynamic SUV.
제네시스의 두 번째 SUV이자 브랜드 최초의 도시형 럭셔리 컴팩트 SUV GV70의 스토리가 시작됩니다.
GV70 is more than just a new SUV. It is a statement of Genesis design, marking of new territory.
Stories move us. They unite us. They inspire and shape us. And that power is born from the way stories are shaped. We believe design is a compelling storytelling language.
The GV70 expands our design territory and communicate with a broader audience through the language of design. This language is built around the core principle of Genesis design identity: athletic elegance. The delicate balance between athletic and elegance is behind every aesthetic decision we make. For the GV70, we brought athleticism to the fore, enhancing its audacious attitude. As you focus closely on the intricate details, the more you realize its demeanor is neither aggressive nor extravagant. You will immediately spot the Genesis design signature and the emblematic crest grille and the wing-inspired super slim quad lights. But what gives the GV70's own distinctive voice is a streamlined purity and pursuit of perfect execution. A single line, which we call the parabolic line, cuts through the muscular surface like a three-piece suit, the tailor for a world-class athlete. Imbued with the beauty of white space, our interiors offer you a blank note to fill your own stories. Aerodynamic curves inspired by an airplane wing. They express a simple, dynamic driving environment. Super slim air vents eliminate the visual clutter while emphasizing a clean contemporary space. Beautiful jewel-like controls with serrated G-matrix details and quilted Napa leather that convey the Genesis luxury to all 5 senses.
A great story must get the small details right. Every detail, no matter how small, impacts the telling of a story as a whole. Step into a GV70, and it's clear that the details are exceptional. Its high-efficiency air filter, fine dust sensor, and the afterglow ensure that you'll breathe clean air no matter what it's like outside. A story is like a fingerprint. Everyone's is unique. With the GV70, you can start your car or even pay for gas with nothing but your fingerprint, writing your story with what is literally a personal touch.
We want to speak to the fearless go-getters, people who are entrepreneurs and marketers in their own right. We want to speak to the originals who are not afraid to articulate their truth. We want to speak up and support forward-thinking leaders who are embracing new experiences every day, driving progress for humanity. We invite you to join us on this journey.
5 elements make up a story: character, plot, setting, point of view, and theme. To tell a good story, we must guarantee every one of these fundamental elements is strong. In this story, the GV70 is the main character, and its plot is your epic adventure. The setting? Anywhere you take the GV70, even places you never dreamed reachable. And the point of view, of course, is all yours.
Jede Fahrt mit deinem Auto schreibt eine Geschichte, die nur du erzählen kannst. Bei Genesis wollten wir deine Geschichte von den Grenzen befreien, die dein Denken für möglich hielt. Wir haben daher ein SUV für das Fahren in der Stadt und im Gelände geschaffen. Das Fahren in der Stadt erfordert vielfältige Fahrtalente, während das Fahren im Gelände Kraft und Stabilität verlangt. Um die richtige Balance zwischen Stadt und Gelände zu finden, haben wir den GV70 in den verschiedensten Testgeländen erprobt. Unser Anspruch war es, unseren Genesis-Kunden ein breites Spektrum an Fahrerlebnissen mit hervorragender Fahrdynamik und komfortabler Ausgewogenheit zu bieten. Wir haben die außerordentlichen Fahrtalente des GV70 nicht nur auf Schlechtwegstrecken in Korea, Amerika und Deutschland getestet, sondern haben auch Hunderttausende von Testkilometern auf asphaltierten Straßen absolviert. GV70 kann, wenn man es möchte, seidig, sehr leise fahren. Aber sobald man der Motorleistung von 375 PS und 540 Newtonmeter Drehmoment freien Lauf lässt, beschleunigt einen der GV70 von 0 auf 100 in 5,1 Sekunden. Das elektromechanische Sperrdifferential maximiert das Fahren im Gelände und ermöglicht durch automatische Drehzahlanpassung und Drehmomentenanpassung ausgezeichnete Traktion und eine hohe Fahrstabilität. Bei anspruchsvollen Wetterbedingungen auf nassen und schneien Fahrbahnen ermöglicht das elektromechanische Sperrdifferential ebenfalls souveränes Fahren.
These fundamental elements are what make the GV70's story so compelling. Each story is woven with many colors, and each color speaks to us, wordlessly evoking emotion. The white of craggy icebergs, the lush green of a mossy shoreline, the red of primeval Earth. Colors speak louder than words, and with its epic use of color, the GV70 has a lot to say. The GV70 paints the world of your unique journey in vibrant hues. The spirit of Genesis is our drive to innovate and create new stories. Our quest to challenge ourselves never ends. And our journey as a global luxury brand has led us to the GV70. The chapters of its creation have now been told, and its lessons keep us pushing forward into the future. We now offer our story to you, the GV70, in the hope of inspiring your own creation, your own story. Genesis was born to create, and so are you. Born to create. Genesis GV70.